Hello everyone, this is Clarix, and today we are learning how to navigate or how to find assignments and quizzes. And here they are in your schedule. So this is the sequence of your assignments. You must complete your assignments before the due date. So let's say the first assignment is going to be Sunday, February 2nd. It's going to be due on February 2nd. So you can start it beforehand. So you can click here on the link. This is going to be your assignment. I'm creating the first video, but you're going to see more links of the following videos so you can learn how to navigate this online course. This is an asynchronous course. You need to learn how to navigate it independently. So later on, you need to buy a calculator to use it at home and use one specific calculator approved by the Department of Mathematics of BMCC. Learn how to use a calculator. Every calculator has a different function. Please do not use your cell phones. Once you watch, all the videos are going to be attached to this assignment. You're going to open the first assignment and complete it. So another important information that you should know is that, let's say for instance, if you jump into your first assignment, that is due February 7th, you are going to have a sequence of videos here for you to watch before your assignment. So this is your assignment, decimals, fractions, and percentages. These videos were made by your professor. You're going to watch them and you are going to complete it. You're going to have until Saturday, February 7th, 2026, 11:59 p.m. If you pass this day, the assignment are not going to be reopened. Okay, so let's say if you open this assignment, you're going to have 25 questions. I recommend you to use whatever means of learning you have, but sometimes we have video attached. Okay, so we have videos from professors and tutors from BMCC that you can open specifically. So you can click on those videos and be guided as well, apart from the videos from your professor. But what I recommend you is use whatever means um, of learning you have. Let's say if some people like to use AI to learn. Don't cheat on yourself, because when the quiz comes and then you cheat on yourself, you're going to be struggling. So let's say here, if you want to put an answer by fraction, right? Because the answer has to be by fraction, not by decimals. So you need to put a fraction, right? I'm going to put, and this is a test. I don't know what the answer is. So it's going to tell you that this answer was incorrect, so you can get a similar question, right? You can try one question 3 times, and even if it's wrong, you will still have the chance to redo it 3 times each question, right? And it's going to tell you the answer. That way you have an idea of how you made a mistake. Okay, so that's your assignment. It doesn't have much restriction. It's like open book. You can study however you want. Use your own style of learning apart from using your professor's videos. But in a sense, we recommend you to try to learn. Okay, some people use AI and they use it in an honest way. They get to learn. Do the same. Okay, use AI for your benefit. Do not use it just to get the answers and get 100. Okay, you're gonna have 25 questions there, and for your quiz, I'm gonna be adding videos for this chapter. You're gonna see a series of videos just like you saw it here, and then you're gonna open your quiz, and you have to add your work. So let's say you only have an opportunity to have this right. So if you have only one trial, you see, one try reminded. So there is one try for each question. So let's say if you had the answer wrong, okay, you still have the chance to include your work by taking a picture of your work in paper. That way the professor is able to see where you make the mistake and how he can give you partial credit, right? So later you have to submit it. Sometimes you're not going to see videos, but you're going to see written samples, right? You're going to see this. It's going to open. It's not opening on my side, but it usually opens for students because I'm in the teacher account. And that's how you're going to complete your quiz review. So your quiz reviews are, they're going to have an hour of time limit. This is not going to change. You have an hour to complete 5 questions and upload all the answers. So I recommend you to have a device that has a camera. That way you can be a little bit as fast as you can. So I hope this information was helpful, and that way you can navigate and find your assignments and quiz reviews as fast as you can. But here's the sequence of assignments and quizzes and the deadline. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.